A very good evening and good morning to all the participants. We are going to start today's session.
So in today's session, I'll start the step number 2. So as a part of the step number 2, so we'll start preparations and migrations for customizing for general ledger. In step number 2, preparations and migration for customizing for asset accounting. Step number 3, preparations and migration of customizing for controlling. Step number 4, check customizing settings for migration. Step number 5, I'm defining the message types for posting before and during the migration. So this is step number 5. So these are the activities that we need to perform for migration. So let us log into system. So provide the username, the password, enter the T code SPRO and click enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Expand conversion of accounting to SAP S4 Hana. Preparations and migration for customizing. expand preparations and migration for customizing for general ledger, check on adopt fiscal year variant. Here we are checking the fiscal year point. Let us give the company code, controlling area, and click execute. Click continue. So here you can see the compare fiscal year variance between CO and FI. So let's go back. So now let us define currency settings for migration. So let us provide the exchange rate type. M standard translation at average rate. If you're not having this, so we need to select this. Now let us double click on calculate amounts for previous CO specific currencies. According to the FI currency customizing, select according to CO approach. Either you can use any of them. For previously CO specific transaction currencies, we can use document currencies for all valuation. This is for currencies and this is for transaction currencies. Click save. Data was already saved. Now let us go back. Now let us click on migrate general ledger customizing and click continue. So here we see ledger 0 successfully migrated. Migration of GL ledger customizing successfully performed. Click back. And execute. Define settings for ledgers and currency types. Now data is locked by the user and can be displayed only. So let us click yes. Click back. So let us go to let's try to unlock the users SM21. Click enter. Let us try to unlock. Click on list. Delete all the locks. Click on delete and click yes. Let us go back to SPRO. Now let us define settings for ledgers and currency types. So here we're just seeing the warning. Click continue. Select ledger. Double click on company code settings for ledger. Select the company code. Double click on accounting principles for ledgers and company codes. Click on new entries. Click on search. Double click on LG. Click save. Click continue. And click continue. Data was saved. So let us go back. Let us continue. Click yes. Click continue. Now, in the next step, review the assignment of ledger and company code to accounting principles. Let's click execute. So here you can see ledger and company code assigned to accounting principles. Click on save. Data already saved here. Go back. Define ledger for CO version. So define, now click on save. Click back. Execute define document types for posting and controlling. Double click on CO. So here we can see here GL account and the secondary cost should be selected, and select the number range and reverse document type. Click on save. Let's click back. And click on execute. Check and define default values for posting and controlling. Click on new entries. cost accounting is not active in company code. 1100. So here, remove OL and click enter. Click on new entries. Now let us enter the company code 6009. Give valid from, provide the date, and provide the default ledger group. Enter the document type mapping variant. Click on save. I'm just trying to change the format. Click continue. The data was saved. Click back. So here we can see the company code. Go back again. Now execute define offsetting account determination type. So here account setting offsetting account determination. Always display offsetting account in the highest amount. So here we have four options here. You have to select do not display offsetting account. Define offsetting account if clearly specified. Always display offsetting account with the highest amount. Always display offsetting account. As per the requirement, we have to select offsetting account and click back. Now let us execute define source ledger for migration for balances. Click on new entries and provide the ledger. So provide the ledger, provide the company code, and enter the fiscal year. Enter the source ledger. Provide the ledger and click save. Click continue. Now let us go back. Click on continue. Now execute check and define settings for substitution. Now first of all, now we need to define a, substitution for cost of sales accounting. Click on New Entries. Let us enter the company code. Select the call pin. Select the line item. Click on the activation level and make the activation level as active. Here we can provide the substitution. Now click on Save. Let us move on to the next step. Check and define settings for controlling area. Select the company code. Double click on Activate Components. Now here you can see Order Management component is active, Cost Center component is active, Activity Type is enabled. So we have all these active components, and click Save and click Continue. Double click on Assignment of Company Code. Here we can see our company code is 6009 and click on Save and click Continue and click Back. Please review consistency check for general ledger settings. Click Execute. So here you have inconsistencies in real time. So here you have different inconsistencies. We have to rectify these inconsistencies on the project. Now the next is you have preparations and migrations for asset accounting. So expand classic migration from classic to new asset accounting. Now expand migration of new asset accounting. Migrate chart of depreciation. Enter the chart of depreciation 6009 and click Execute. So here the chart of depreciation does not exist. 1 minute, let me check. So let us create Let's expand financial accounting, expand asset accounting, expand organizational structures. Now copy reference chart of depreciation. Double click on copy reference chart of depreciation. Click on copy organization object. Enter from chart of depreciation. Select sample chart of depreciation. Depreciation India. Select enter the company code. Click continue. Click continue again and click yes. Click continue. Click continue. Chart of depreciation. Copy it to 6009. Chart of depreciation is 0 IN. Let's go back. Let's specify, select 6009. Edit the description to sample chart of depreciation to 6009 and click continue. Now let us click on copy or delete depreciation area. Now assign the accounting principles. Assign to all the depreciation areas. Now let us click on save and click continue. The data was saved and click back. Close. Now execute assign chart of depreciation to company code. Click on chart of depreciation. Execute 6009. Click on continue. Click on save and click continue. Click Save. Input tax code for non-taxable tax transaction for company code 6009 missing. So here we need to assign input tax and output tax to company code. Let us go to the transaction code. OBCL and click enter. So again the data is locked for this. So we need to unlock. Click on delete. Let's go back. Let us enter OBCL. Give the input tax and output tax to the company code. Give it as A0. Click on save and click continue. Data was saved. Now let us go back to the click on save. Execute assign chart of depreciation to. Again we need to unlock. Let us assign chart of let us assign the chart of depreciation 6009 and click save and click continue. Data was saved. Let's click back. Now close the financial accounting. Now go back to the preparations and migration for asset accounting. Now click on execute. Migration charts of depreciation. Enter the company code 6009 and click execute. Migration is ended for client 800. Now click back. Click on display migration log. So here we can see so all these are active. Double click on it. So start of migration for client 800. Chart of depreciation 6000 is already migrated. Let us go back. Now let us execute check prerequisites for activating asset accounting. So you can see activation check before importing and customizing switch. Let us go back. And finally, let us execute activate asset accounting. Select activate, and click on save. Click on save. So for this, I prepared a step-by-step assignments.
If you want to see the assignment for today's topic, go to Dropbox Set2 folder, go to Set2 assignments, go to S4 HANA assignments, go to S4 HANA finance. Here you can see preparation of migration assignments. Expand the conversion of to S4 HANA. Preparation and migrating for customizing preparations and migration of customizing general ledger. Check execute fiscal year variant. Provide controlling area. Click continue. You can see all the steps which we have seen in the sessions. Thank you all the participants. I'll see you in the next session.